In October 2023, Vivo announced the Vivo X100 and X100 Pro as the first Dimensity 9300 powered smartphones. Rumor has it that the Vivo X200 and X200 Pro, set to debut in China in October, will be the world's first phones equipped with the Dimensity 9400 chip. Tipster Digital Chat Station released a sketch to showcase the design changes on the Vivo X200. A few details about the X200 have been leaked on Weibo. And this is the first looks Vivo X200 Pro, flat metal frame, center large circle deco design. And new leaks Vivo X200 series launch event could be held on October 14, 15, or 16. Digital Chat Station on Weibo says the standard X200 featuring a compact 6.3-inch display and featuring a 1.5K resolution flat panel with symmetrical bezels on all four sides. And Vivo X200 Pro is likely to feature a 6.7-inch 2K resolution OLED panel with curvature on all four sides. Both phones have a 120Hz refresh rate and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The X200 Pro will feature a customized 22nm Sony sensor. It mentions a 50-megapixel sensor, a 200-megapixel 3x periscope telephoto camera, and an ultra-wide camera. According to the latest leak, the X200 Pro may come with a large battery that will exceed 6,000 mAh in capacity. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.